news finally broke and 11,000 people at Meta were laid off at 6 a.m. today. Taking some time to process, looking forward, eventually coming back stronger from this. After surfing LinkedIn for several weeks already, I'm scrolling through my LinkedIn feed and I'm noticing that people, even HRs and tech recruiters, do the same mistakes over and over again. So in this video, I will share with you my 5 most important things you need to do on LinkedIn right now if you want to get a job fast. Number 1, please stop wasting your time writing tearful posts about getting laid off due to incompetent CEOs if your goal is actually to inform your network that you are looking for a new one. So also, please don't waste your time praising your ex-colleagues, no matter how thankful you are to have them working with you, or how sad and shocked, confused, furious, annoyed, or lonely you are right now having lost your jobs. Of course, you can thank your coworkers for everything, but bear in mind that if you want to leverage LinkedIn to get a new job, you need first to improve your profile, and second, you need to write a post about your search for XYZ role. And please stop sending unclear messages to your network if you really want to get a job. Because, writing posts and making them go viral is fairly simple today. So when people sympathize with you and write something like, "Oh, this is so terrible, what's going on in the job market," this will not help to solve your problem. So how do you use LinkedIn practically after you have lost your employment? So the first thing you should do is work on your LinkedIn headline. If you don't know what LinkedIn headline is, it's a section under your name. It stretches across the top of the page and it appears everywhere in the people you may know section, in LinkedIn searches, LinkedIn job applications, LinkedIn posts, messages, recommendations, and even invitations to connect. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, you need a title that includes keywords to help you show up in searches while also selling your value that you would bring to your potential employer. If you're looking for work, here's a 2-part formula that I recommend adding to your LinkedIn headline. First, add your job, family, title, and industry, and second, add your pitch or value that you would bring to the table. So let's suppose you are a data scientist looking for a job in healthcare industry. You may add to your headline something like data science, healthcare, using big data to reduce hospital readmission rates by 300% across 2.5 million patients. So this is your pitch, guys. This little sentence actually sums up who you are, your target job family, your industry, and what you do, and you also showcase the results, meaning that you focus on the value that you would bring to your employer. Before sharing my second recommendation on how to use LinkedIn correctly today, consider subscribing to the channel and comment down below if you have any additional ideas that can help other people to get a job. The second thing you should do using LinkedIn after being laid off is actually to add a frame of shame. No, I'm kidding. A frame of bravery to indicate that you are open to work and looking for a new job. And this is done through your settings. You should know that in the past, most LinkedIn gurus and recruiters shared the same opinion about job seekers who added that open to work frame. They thought that this makes candidates unattractive to recruiters. To be honest, I had the same impression about those who added the open to work frame to their profile, simply because it had the exact opposite effect, because it's a human psychology, guys, and everyone who is easily accessible is unappealing. But this is a pure misconception, guys. When 142,000 people were laid off this year, and we're talking about only those people who self-declared that they were laid off, your value is actually not lessened if you show that you are open to work. But be aware that you will attract a slew of recruiters offering you rubbish jobs. So be selective in your responses and ignore any low-quality recruiters who will spam your inbox for sure, because some stupid low-quality recruiters even pay to message you their absolutely BS jobs that you will not consider given your level of expertise.
You know what? You're hired. I quit.
Dad!
Third thing you need to do is to include the specific job that you are hunting for in your LinkedIn profile. And to do so, you need to go to the LinkedIn job board and search as if you were looking for a new job. So make sure you're using filters such as level of expertise, geography, industry, and job type in order to narrow down the roles that interest you. For educational purposes only, let's look at digital sales positions as an example. So it's a simple example, but it will be sufficient to demonstrate you the technique that I'm describing. So sift through the search results and highlight the positions that pick your attention and then use them in your headline. Fourth, share your most significant skills. Again, this is needed to be added to your headline. Feel free to add any technical skills like knowledge of tools or programming languages and your problem-solving skills. For example, company has XYZ challenges and you help to resolve this kind of problems. Last but not least, number 5, because this is LinkedIn, you would like to write a post about the news that you were let go. Don't forget to include call to action text under your post. So if you want to make an emotional post about about your news, go ahead and vent out, but don't write lengthy posts with a vague call to action message. If you decided to write an emotional message, please end it with something like, if you know anyone hiring for software engineering opportunities in the Bay Area, let me know, or tag, share, forward any tech recruiters or hiring managers in your network. Thank you very much. And that's it. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment with your suggestions on what to do on LinkedIn to help other people to get back to work as soon as possible using LinkedIn. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.